Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Yasukawa. Welcome to Monday, September 14th, 2020. So our Mondays going forward are going to look a little bit different. Um, what we're going to do is we have a 30-minute meeting at 9 o'clock in the morning. And then after that, students do have a full day of school, but it is on their own. It is called asynchronous. Students are doing some work on their own, they're writing, they're reading. So I made this document called the Monday to-do list to take us through it. So if I look at the Monday to-do list, it says students should work on these activities for 5 hours. If you finish the must-do list and you have leftover time, you can move to the can-do list. Click on the links to go to the video or document, or find the assignment in our Google Classroom, which is called 4th Yasukawa and Haas. So we're working on getting some more videos in here, but in your Google Classroom, you'll have, well, pause. So some of the things are online that need a computer, and some of the things are offline. They do not need a computer. So the things online, I give some suggested times that are my best guess, but some people will go more quickly. Some people are going to work on thinking deeply and slowing down, so it might take a little bit more time. What I am saying is that you should be working for 5 hours. It's only 4 hours of Ms. Haas and my classroom stuff, and then 1 hour of PE and drama. After you hit that 5-hour mark, please just stop, unplug, shut down, go outside, do anything away from the screen that you can, because this is a lot of work. So I want you to be kind to yourself as well. Okay, so online. The online stuff is about 3.5 hours. Again, about. PE, Mr. Roberts has a video for you I will insert here. Drama, Ms. Sherleth has a video that she's going to insert here, or that I will insert there. And then we have math, we have reading, and we have writing. Math, I'm asking for 60 minutes of ST Math. 60 minutes is a long time for ST Math, so if you want to do 3 20-minute sessions, and you can do some other subjects in between, or go outside, or something in between, or maybe you do 2 30-minute sessions, or maybe you have the energy for one 60-minute session. Any combination of those will add up to 60 minutes, 20, 40, 60 minutes, 30, 60 minutes, or 60 minutes. There's one video to watch for Eureka Math, and I will link that in here. Please remember that when the teacher asks you to stop or pause, actually stop or pause. When she asks you to say something out loud, please actually say it out loud. And the last part of math on the computer is, you worked in your workbook, and last week we worked on taking pictures of your workbook, but the pictures didn't come out very well. So I'm wondering if you could you don't need to resolve these. These are just copying whatever you have in your workbook and putting it into the Jamboard. So I will link that in here too. You're just copying the solutions you have from your workbook and typing them into the Jamboard. In reading, it's about 20 minutes. You're going to watch this video, and you're going to update your reading log Jamboard. And in writing, you're just going to watch a video. So now that leaves you about an hour and a half of things away from the computer. I'm going to ask you to read a short story. I'm giving you about 30 minutes. I'm asking you then to read your fiction book. That might be an actual book, that might be an electronic book, but I'm still putting that under offline because many people have actual books. If you need an actual book, please reach out to me and let me know. When you're reading your fiction book, you should have sticky notes with you. So if you can use sticky notes to write down what you notice or wonder when you're reading. So maybe you use the sticky notes at the end of each chapter, like we've been doing for The Tiger Rising. Maybe you do it about every 5 pages if you have longer chapters. And the last thing under must do is brainstorm some character ideas in your spiral. These are some more box and bullets, but we're just trying to come up with some character ideas which are based on the video that you watch in writing. If you finish any of those things early, you can work on the can-do. I'm doing the same thing for the Jamboards. I couldn't see the pictures in your workbook, so you don't need to solve them again. Just copy down for lesson 2, copy down for lesson 1. You could do some more ST Math. There's a short video called Kane's Arcade you could do for science and engineering. So that one is pretty cool to watch, and then you can start to learn about some different carnival games. You can gather cardboard boxes, and you can start imagining, planning, and creating a carnival game out of cardboard boxes. I have not gotten around to making these read aloud videos, so just ignore these for right now, but I want to try to catch you up in case you missed any of those. And then last, you can start making some multiplication cards. You can read some more of your own book, or writing, you can start working on a summary of a fiction idea you brainstormed. You could actually start writing the story, just know that you will be revising it at the end. Or you could make a full page version of your personal flag, so I can put it up in the background of our classroom. So if you make one that takes up a full piece of paper, you could drop it off at the school, or you can ask me to come and pick it up from your home. All right, so I clearly have some more links to put in here, but for right now, that is your work for Monday, September 14th. Feel free to reach out. I might not reply immediately, but I will get back to you soon. Good luck. Bye.